The biggest challenge to our industry is to meet the demands of our clients, to have the right information in real time, to be able to serve them on the field. My name is Jonas Granat. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Polygon Group. We are the global expert in property damage restoration. We are active in 13 countries with more than 3,000 professionals. When disaster strikes, we need to help people quickly, and we need to be there on site and share information in real time with the end customers who have the damage and also with our insurance partners. To do that, we need a mobile solution. IFS has supported us a lot with this business challenge to develop a mobile system together with us. Our customers can get help faster, our employees can spend time to do what they do best and what they like, to be on the field and help people in need. An important mission for us is to help our customers to get back to business quicker, and now we can do that. We are currently using 3 modules: IFS Applications, Field Service Management for back office, and also Field Service Management mobile for our technicians. The main benefits we see with the Field Service Management system is that we can reduce time on administration and spend more time on the field. We believe we should be able to improve our productivity by at least 2% by using the system.
Everybody can use their own part of the system. Either you are a project leader or a technician in the field or back office, you have the own part of the system to use. What we noticed is that we are less busy with administration because we are supported by the Field Service Management system, which means that we can focus on our customers, on our service delivery and a higher quality on that. We have cost savings, it's user-friendly, we save time, which means that we are more profitable in the end.
Big data is probably the next step of our development. So we also see development opportunities in the future to be able to use big data to serve our customers and offer tailor-made advice. We have a very high ambition as the European leader in property damage restoration. Our ambition is to transform the industry and make the claim process fully mobile, digital and automated. And we see IFS as a crucial strategic partner in that journey.